I got a GM factory at my house. I tried hanging the door with it bouncing on a floor jack by myself. They're too heavy. So I got my engine hoist out. I got this 3 bolts in this one. I had to clean all the threads first. Scrounge up some bolts off my RV. So this one's, it may not be a line, but it's hanging on 3 bolts. I'm just showing you, it ain't easy. I would have flunked the GM test. It's been over an hour and I don't even have 3 bolts in yet, but that's how I'm hanging the doors. GM factory at my place. Close, so I wasn't too bad off. Front fender isn't even a task. It's got 2 pieces of wire in it, but I got 1 door done. Every thread's got rusty. I'm using a thread chaser to clean the rust out, and it still isn't perfect, but I'm getting it. So that's what's taking so long at the GM factory at my place. I gotta do 6 on each door. I already did the other 6. Don't know if I'll get this one hung today or not. Working on the passenger door. GM factory. It's not easy. By myself, moving this around, take it apart, move the plywood. And I'm working on it. Get a couple bolts in, that's it for today. Got the passenger door on. It's not bad. Just got 2 bolts. I got 3 on the other side. That's all I could scrounge up without buying them today. I'm not even going to move my engine hoist. I'm too tired. But got the doors on it. Here comes Oliver. You helping, Daddy? You done? You done for the day? Okay. GM body plant at my place.